Check out that emblem. That's really nice. That's cool. I got a chance to meet a subscriber, and he recognized Fly and Ride in the flesh. All right, let me show you this bikes. The new 2025 Harley Davidson models are out. Specifically, there are 6 new colors that came out. I'm headed to my local dealer, and we're gonna check out which ones they have, and I'm gonna show you the colors up close and personal, get some good footage, and see what I think about these new colors, and if I'm actually excited about it, what I think about them. So let's head over there now. It is cold and windy, so I am caging it. It is 24 degrees. With the windshield, it feels, I don't know, about 14 or so. So we've got some of the guys that are meeting us there. I think Senior's meeting us there. George is meeting us there. And Glenn, I think, is also there. Tell how windy it is. Look at those flags flowing. So definitely not my typical video that I bring to all of you, but it's cold. We're expecting a snowstorm starting tonight. You can see the salt there on the side. They brined most of the roads. So typically when they put that stuff out, I try not to get the bikes out and ride. Although I ride all winter long, and you know, the roads look pretty good, but I rode yesterday for a while, and I'm only going for a quick trip to the dealer just to check out and see what they have. And I figured I would bring you with me. And look, there's a lot of videos out there already. Go check them out. Obviously, everybody's doing videos on this. I almost call it the, if you're in the YouTube motorcycle niche, it's the obligatory new motorcycles are out video. And look, I've done it for several years, and I genuinely get excited about, you know, when this stuff comes out. You know, I've had my Harley since 2020, and absolutely love my Harley. Yes, they have all of their imperfections and challenges and opportunities, but it is a motorcycle that I will always have in the Fly and Ride garage. And again, I think, as most of you know, if you don't know, Sandstorm, which is my 2020 Street Glide CVO, has been with me since 2020. I want to check out these new colors. From what I've seen, I'm not really impressed in you know, in the videos. So that's why it's always important to go see them in person. And then from what I understand, and again, this is from all the videos that I've seen, on January 23rd, they're going to come out with new models. Which ones they are, I'm not sure. I'm not going to speculate at this point. Again, there's plenty of videos out there that have good information. You know, supposedly there's going to be an Ultra Street Glide. You know, there may be a smaller displacement engine Pan America. Again, all speculation at this point. You know, I don't have any concrete evidence to suggest one way or the other, but, you know, there's plenty of videos out there that are suggesting it. And what I'm really waiting for is to see what they do with the CVO STs. You know, if they come out with another CVO model, or, you know, what they're going to do this year, because we haven't seen a CVO ST Street Glide, and that would be interesting. And you know, I'll be honest with you, I do really like the Road Glide, the new Road Glide. I think I like it more than the Street Glide, only in the newer model. In the prior models, obviously, I like the Street Glide more. I just love the cockpit view of my version of the Street Glide. I'm not crazy about the position of the new one, the position of the handlebars. All of that can be adjusted. It's just not, I'm not a fan. I test rode both of them, and I just like I like the Road Glide better. So if they come out with some really cool colors this year for the CVO ST Road Glide, then, you know, it may be time for me to upgrade Sandstorm to the latest and greatest. So You know, lots to discuss, lots to think about. I'm about 20 minutes from the dealer. Let's switch over to the dealer now. All right, we're pulling up to the dealer here in a second. So I believe there are 6 colors that that they just came out with, at least in this first iteration. Again, they're saying January 23rd, they're going to come out with other models, potentially other colors. So the 6 colors are Brilliant Red, Iron Horse Metallic, Purple Abyss Denim, Whiskey Firestorm, Midnight Firestone, and Mystic Shift. And the one that's getting the most attention, at least from what I've seen in the videos, is this Mystic Shift color, which is it's basically the color that is shifting. Now, the interesting thing, at least from my point of view, this type of paint has been around probably for over 40 years. As a matter of fact, I was showing it to my dad, who essentially was a master technician in the auto shop industry for over 40 years. And I showed him the paint. He's like, yeah, that's the paint we used to use 30 years ago to paint cars. They used to call it flip-flop paint. There's a lot of different names for it. So again, it's not a new concept, albeit, of course, I think this is the first year that they do it in any of these Harley Davidson motorcycles. So anyway, those are the 6 colors. I'm not sure if this dealer has all of them or some of them, but that's what we're gonna go take a look at. I think this is George right here. Oh yeah, it is. He's in that Tesla. All right, let's go see what the deal is here. All right, so 6 new colors, Georgie, from what I understand. Yeah.
Couple purple.
Well, let's see. Yeah, I'm not a fan of purple, but some are.
But till you see them in person.
Yeah, that's why we're here. Oh, there they are.
What's up,
man? How you doing? What's going on, brother?
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
How are you? Want to wait outside for us?
I was waiting.
Wow.
Happy New Year.
So this one is the, which color is this one?
Good.
This is beautiful.
Oh, that's really nice. Oh, it's got the flames, yeah.
And it, yeah, look, it is on love.
Check out that emblem. That's really nice.
2 new colors. This is the older
34,000. Oh, this is the whiskey free. This is a whiskey freedom. So it's got those flames in there.
I like them. They're subtle. Right?
Mystic Shift. 32. Yeah. Is this also new, Glenn? This one or no?
This is a 24, but this has got stage 2.
Ah, I got you. This is the Billiard Gray. So this is from last year. So those are the only 2 colors that they have, I think, right?
Yeah. Have here now.
Yeah.
He's going to be getting more of this.
Is he?
But he only got 2 bikes.
Yeah. This is the older models here.
Is that FLY&RIDE in the flesh?
How you doing? What's that?
You FLY&RIDE
I am,
in the
yeah.
flesh?
How you doing, man? How are you, man?
What's up, man? I
How you
follow
doing?
you.
Oh, well,
Yeah,
thank
and
you,
I
man. I
watch your
appreciate it.
videos,
Yeah.
too, yeah.
Cool, man. It's good to meet you. So, what do you
Got
ride?
that new Triumph. I got, actually, I sold my old Road Glide. I'm going to buy the 24 Burst.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, and then I'm looking at a Triumph Street Triple RS,
That's
too.
a nice freaking bike, man.
Because I race cars and I've done a lot of track days with bikes.
Yeah.
But I like the Harleys just to cruise around, and then if I don't have time to go cruise,
Same
I'll
as
jump
us.
on the Triumph.
Same
you know?
as us. That's why I got the Ducati. The Ducati gives me the
Oh,
thrill.
yeah, that thing's sick.
Good to meet you, man. I
Yeah,
appreciate
same
the
here.
support. Yeah, that's cool. I got a chance to meet a subscriber, and he recognized FLY&RIDE in the flesh. All right, let me show you this bikes. So they only have 2 of them here. They're gonna get more. This is the Whiskey Freedom, which has the flames. Similar color to before. favorite part, actually. This emblem looks really, really nice. Let me show you the other one over here, because I think this one even looks nicer. They did a really nice job with that emblem. Tell you, I'm not crazy about it, honestly, even in person. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. All right, we just departed the dealership. Boys in and out, it's Georgie right there. That Tesla's fast. Mr. Glenn heading out over there. So look, hopefully you enjoyed checking out those colors up close and personal. Like you heard me say there, I'm not impressed with the colors. The one, that Whiskey Freedom one, it looks cool. It's just not a color that I like. The Mystic Shift, inside at least, I'm sure outside it'll look really nice, but inside it looks purple. And if you like purple, then you definitely like it. But purple is just not my my preferred choice either. And they didn't have the other 4 colors there, so they're gonna get some bikes here in the coming weeks. I'll bring that back to you here. Once they do, we'll come out and check those bikes out and show you these new colors. And again, like I said, I'm gonna wait to see what January 23rd has to offer, and then I'm not sure if they're gonna come out with the new CVO colors on January 23rd, or if they're gonna do it later. I'm gonna wait for that, and then we'll see what happens in 2025 in the Fly and Ride Garage. Thanks for watching.